How to download Roblox on MacBook when it's not working. In this video, I'm going to show you an alternate way to install Roblox on your Mac that can sometimes work if the traditional install won't let you. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. If your Roblox isn't installed correctly or it's not working, it's very common to get this pop-up to download and install Roblox. Go ahead and open the Roblox installer, but instead of double-clicking to install, right-click on it and click Show Package Contents. From here, click Contents, macOS, Roblox Player Installer, and then click Open. It should open up a command line and then install Roblox the alternate way through the command. If everything works correctly, your Roblox should pop up after a little bit of this running. To show it's totally working, I'm going to refresh the Roblox page and open, to which it successfully works. Do know that this method isn't perfect and you might need to restart once or twice before it works. If it still doesn't work after multiple tries, it might be possible your Mac is too out of date to install Roblox. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.